This one right here, I'm not too sure if we traded or not. I don't really remember because I don't remember like a crazy gain from it. But what happened is, so it made this move up, right? This is about a 9% move in a couple of days. And then it pulls back. What happens? Right back to the 10 SMA. Next day, right to the 20. Now, what you'll notice is that it holds the 20 moving average, the 20 SMA extremely well. So holds the 20 again the next day, again the next day, again the next day, goes back up to the 10, reclaims the 10, goes sideways, starts to, these candles start to get really tight, volume's dying out. So this day was a very, very thin candle on very, very low volume. Starts to tighten up a little bit further, drops back down to the 20, pulls back up, back down to the 20, right on the 20. And what do you notice here? This candle is extremely thin. So looking at this right here, I would say that there's a very, very good chance that the next day this is going to want to continue. And if we take a look, oh, well, surprise, what am I, a genie? So the reason I can identify this as an extremely good setup, and I know that this is most likely going to make an explosive move from here, is because of how the stock acted. So it made this big move up, pulled back, made a big move up, pulled back again, and really tightened up here. So this one, I don't even have to draw a line on the bottom. The 20 draws it for me. That's how well it was holding the support on this 20. And then what's happening? It made this big move up, right? Well, nothing too crazy. It made a move up. This is about like 16%, 15%. And then it pulled back. So on this move up, volume was increasing. When it pulls back, the volume is dying out slowly but surely. And this is holding the moving averages. It's acting right. It's a leading stock in a leading sector with amazing fundamentals. Like the financials are great. You just can't beat it. So this is what I would consider a perfect setup. Now, some people might look at the chart and be like, oh, this is a perfect setup just based on how it looks.